Hey, I'm Coach Tammy, and this is Cooking on the Bright Side, a recipe tutorial series that I have created to help you make healthy recipes to fuel your life. My athletes are loving these recipes, and this one today is coconut chicken in a sweet chili sauce. Let me tell you, it is right some good. You can get this recipe from my Winter Wonderfuls ebook found on my website, gofitlife.ca. Okay, so let's get to what you need. But before we do that, hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on so you never miss a recipe. Gather up 1.3 pounds of chicken breast chopped, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of desiccated coconut, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and salt and pepper. For the sauce, you need a half a cup of water, 5 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, and 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. This recipe makes 4 servings, takes about 10 minutes to prep, and roughly 15 minutes to cook. Per serving, you're looking at around 368 calories, 15 grams of fat, 20 grams of carbs, and 36 grams of protein. Let's get on with it now.